Hello, my name is Abhinav and today I'll be discussing the key aspects of strategy and strategic management and basically the essential concepts for any organization who wants to achieve long-term success. So first, what is strategy? Strategy can be defined as a plan of action designed to achieve specific goals. It's about making deliberate choices to differentiate an organization from its competitors. And according to Johnson, Scholes, and Whittington, strategy is the direction and scope of an organization over the long term. In simple terms, it's about setting long-term goals and using resources effectively to gain an advantage in the marketplace. Now, why is strategic management so important? Why is it so important? Well, it helps organizations align to their goals with the opportunities available in the market while adapting to changes in the external environment. And through strategic management, businesses ensure that their resources are being used efficiently to maximize their growth and sustainability. Now let's look at one company, a very big company in the fashion industry, Uniqlo. And Uniqlo as an example is a very good example. They have a good strategy in focusing on offering high quality but affordable clothing. Who does that? Uniqlo. And they use like innovations like heat tech and aerosol fabrics which no one has. No other company has. Well, maybe heat tech, but aerosol, no, I think no other company has, which is a good value to customers. And their global expansion also showcase how they have adapted their strategy to different markets while maintaining their core brand identity very well. And in summary, strategy and strategic management are about setting a clear path, adapting to change, and using resources wisely, which is very important and crucial. But Uniqlo is doing it very well, which is why I'm using it as an example. So, Uniqlo competitive advantage. What do they have? What kind of resources do they have? Well, they have tangible and intangible resources. Let's talk about the tangible first. Well, tangible is like the physical things, like stores. Well, they have a lot of stores in Perth, in Indonesia, a lot in the world. Well, what can you say about that? And they also have technology to develop these fabrics like aerosol and heat tech, which they're mostly known for. Everybody loves them. Uniqlo makes them. And for the intangible resources, well, they have a very strong global brand identity, and they have a very loyal customer fan base like me. I'm a Uniqlo enjoyer, and the fact that they are able to keep collaborating shows designers shows that they are strong and relevant, keeping them relevant and trendy all the time. And in terms of the capabilities, Uniqlo are really good at rapid adaptation to customer preference, and their ability to manage inventory efficiently and quickly turn over products gives them an edge in the fast-paced retail environment. And so, what is Uniqlo's advantage? Right, it lies in their ability to deliver high-quality clothing at affordable prices through efficient production process and constant innovation. And combine that with their strong brand recognition, combine that also with their customer loyalty. Uniqlo is like very at the top at this world. And since Uniqlo also say they use eco-friendly practices, well, that just push them even more in their competitive advantage for other industry, the fashion industry basically. Now let's talk about Uniqlo's future strategies and how they can implement it and how they can measure their success. Well, Uniqlo has three strategies right now, which is global expansion, sustainability, and digital integration. For global expansion, they have a lot of influence in many countries, but in developing regions which need affordable clothing and also high quality clothing, Uniqlo provides that. And sustainability, a lot of customers are looking for eco-friendly products, which Uniqlo provides that. And digital integration, Uniqlo also provides that. They have an app. It's improving every day to improve customer satisfaction. And how can they implement these strategies? Well, of course, to improve customer satisfaction, I think they need to develop and invest in research to make a new innovation in fabric like Arison, they need to make a new one if they want to keep on top and keep improving their app, the digital infrastructure. And by doing this, it will be no problem for them to maintain their position as the top in high quality and affordable clothing in the fashion industry. And how can Uniqlo measure their success? Well, it's clear how they can measure their success by looking at the sales growth, and if it's going up in their new regions, then it's going well. And for sustainability, they can use sustainability metrics such as reduced carbon footprint and use of eco-friendly materials. And of course, I think the most important factor is customer satisfaction, which is very key, which they can have through surveys and many other online reviews. And by doing this, no doubt Uniqlo will stay on top in the fashion industry. Thank you very much for listening.